Hi children, welcome back. Now this is the last topic of our first lesson. What is the name of the topic? Roman numerals. We already learned Roman numerals. We know that this is one of the early system of writing numerals, and now also it is still using in many places. You can see Roman numerals in clocks, is it? And you can see Roman numerals in the school also for writing the name of the classes, and if you are writing the timetable also we are using Roman numerals, is it? Now for writing Roman numerals we have to follow some rules, and Roman numeral system uses 7 symbols for writing numbers. First we will learn which are the 7 symbols. Which are the 7 symbols using for representing numbers? 1 represented by using the letter I, 5 V, 10 X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 M. This you already learned in your earlier classes. These are the 7 symbols for using for representing numbers. And for writing Roman numerals we have to follow some rules also. Okay, what is the first rule? The Roman digits I, X and C are repeated up to 3 times in succession to form the numbers. We know that the value of I is equal to 1. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of C? 100. Okay. The value of I, X and C are added as, how will we add it? I means 1. If 2 I's are there, what is the meaning? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And if 3 I's are there, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And X is 10. XX means 10 plus 10, 20. And XXX means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. If it is C, C means what? What is the value of C? C means 100, is it? So if 2 C's are there, what is the meaning? 100 plus 100, what is the answer? 200. And if 3 C's are there, what is the meaning? 100 plus 100 plus 100, what is the answer? 300. If a same symbol is repeating, you have to add it. Same value is repeating, you have to add it. Okay. And one more condition, don't repeat a letter more than 3 times in a row. We can repeat only maximum 3 times we can repeat a symbol. That's why we are not writing 4 like this way. This is wrong. We are writing 4 as what? 1V, is it? Why we are writing 1V, that we will study later. And for 6 we are writing as a V1, not 1, 1, 1 like that way. Okay, only we can repeat a letter maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times only we can repeat a same symbol. If a same symbol is repeating, that means you have to add it. I think the first rule is clear. Now go to the second rule. When a digit of lower value is written to the right or after a digit of higher value, the values of all the digits are added. What is the meaning? Well, look at the first example, V1. V1, we know that the value of V is 5 and the value of I is 1. That means 5 plus 1. What is the answer? 6. If a smaller value, this is 5 and this is 1. 5 or 1, which is the biggest number? 5 is the biggest number. If a smaller value is in the right side, we have to do addition. What is second rule? If a smaller value is in the right side, you have to do addition. We know that X is 10, V is 5. 5 is smaller than 10. So what we have to do? You have to add it. 10 plus 5, what is the answer? 15. Like the same way, V11, the value of V is 5. The value of V is 5, is it? And the remainings are 1, 1. So we have to add it. 5 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 7. Like the same way, X is what? 10 and V is 5 and I is 1. So smaller values in the right side means what? You have to add it. So 10 plus 5 plus 1, what is the answer? 16. So 16 is representing by using the symbol XV1. Here V11, V is what? 5. 1, 1 means I representing 1. So 1, 1, 1. Smaller values in the right side, that means you have to do addition. Like the same way, LX, what is the value of X? 50. What is the value of X? What is the value of X? 10. So 50 plus 10, what is the answer? 60. Like the same way, X is 10, I is 1. Smaller value is in the right side. That means what you have to do? Addition. So 10 plus 1. What is the answer? 11. Here also L is 50. X is 10. V is 5. So smaller values are in the right side. So we have to do addition. So what is the answer? 50 plus 10 plus 5. What is the answer? 65. This is the second rule. Second rule is what? If a smaller value is in the right side, smaller value is in the right side. That means X, V. X is 10, V is 5. So what we have to do? 10 plus 5. What is the answer? 15. Okay. 10 plus 5. What is the answer? 15. Now move to the next rule. What is the next rule? What is the next rule? When a digit of lower value is written to the left, what was the second rule? If a smaller value is in the right side, you have to do addition. The third rule is that if a smaller value is in the left side, that means IV. That means what? Smaller value, I representing 1 and V representing 5. So if a smaller value is in the left side, you have to do subtraction. So what is the answer? 5 minus 1, 4. So 1 V is representing what? 4. Okay. Now suppose XC. We know that X is 10 and C is 100. Smaller value is in the left side. So what we have to do? 100 minus 10. What is the answer? 90. So first rule is clear. First rule, only we can repeat a simple maximum 3 times. What was the second rule? If a smaller value is in the right side, you have to do addition. What is the third rule? If a smaller value is in the left side, you have to do subtraction. I think all the 3 rules are clear. Now just go through it. 1V. 1V means IV means what? 4. How did you get that answer? 5 minus 1, 4. Like the same way, Ix means what? 9. How did you get? Smaller value is in the left side. So we have to do subtraction. 10 minus 1, 9. XL, that means 50 minus 10. What is the answer? 40. XC, that means 100 minus 10. What is the answer? 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. What is the answer? 90. CD, C is what? 100 and D is 500. So 500 minus 100, what is the answer? 400. CM, 1000 minus 100, what is the answer? 900. Okay. Always if the smaller value is in the right side, if you have to add it, and if a smaller value is in the left side, you have to do subtraction. Right side smaller value is coming, you have to do addition. If smaller value is coming in the left side, you have to do subtraction. These are the important rules while writing the Roman numerals. Now we know we are having time now, so try to learn this much. So you can write any Roman numeral. Okay. 1I, 2 means this already up to 10 you know, is it? And 20 XX, 30 XXX, 40 XL, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 LXX, 80 LXXX, 90 XC, 100 C, 200 CC, 300 CCC. We can't write one more C for writing 400. Only we can repeat maximum 3 times. So that's why we are writing 400 as CD, 500 D, 600 DC, 700 DCC, 800 DCC and 900 CM. Okay. And do children try to study this. You can write any Roman numeral. What is the first question? Write 95 in Roman numeral. How will we write? Write 95 in Roman numeral. For writing the Roman numeral, it is better you write the expanded form of the number. What is the expanded form of 95? What is the expanded form of 95? 90 plus 5. If you are writing the expanded form, you will not make any careless mistake. So always you write expanded form. Now for writing the, how will you represent 90? Look at the chart. 90 is XC and how will we represent 5? V. So what is 95 XC V? I think this is clear. Suppose if you won't write 136. For writing Roman numeral, just try to write the expanded form. Expanded form we already learned in the beginning of this lesson, is it? So what is the expanded form of this number? 1 is standing in hundreds place. So 100 plus 30 plus 6. This is the expanded form of this particular number, is it? And for writing Roman numeral, how will we represent 100? 100 is C. How will we represent 30? 30 is XXX. Okay. XXX is 30. And how will we represent 6? 6 by using VI. So VI. So it's clear. When you are writing Roman numerals, children, always you write the expanded form. Always you write the expanded form. You will not make any careless mistake. And try to study this much so you can write any Roman numeral. One more example I will show you. Suppose if you want to write 237 or 1237. If you want to write the Roman numeral of 1237, I already told you, just write the expanded form. 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 7. This is the expanded form of this particular number, is it? And one more thing, when you are writing Roman numeral, don't put the addition symbol, okay? And how will we represent 1000? How will we represent 1000? 1000 we already learned, is it? 1000 is M. We already learned 1000. 1000 is what? M. So, M 4000. M 4000. Okay. 1000 we are representing by using the Roman number M. So, M. How will we represent 200? CC. How will we represent 30? XXX. And how will we represent 7? V11. Okay. So, study this, and one more thing, M 4000, and always write the expanded form of the number so you can write the Roman numeral very easily. So, 1000 by M, 200 CC and 30 XXX and 7 V11. Okay. Suppose if you won't write 468. If you want to write the Roman numeral of 468, you write the expanded form. What is expanded form? 400 plus 60 plus 8 is the expanded form. Okay, 400 plus 60 plus 8 is the expanded form. Now, how will we represent 400 in Roman numeral? 400 is CD. This is 400, is it? 400 is CD. And how will we represent 60? 60 is this, LX. And how will we represent 8? 8 we already know. 8, how will we represent 8? VII. Okay, II. So, write that. So, always just study this completely. We are having time now. So, study this completely. You can write any Roman numeral. Okay. And when you are writing the Roman numeral, always you write the expanded form. This is Roman numeral, and our numbers are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. What is the name of our numbers? Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. So, we already know how to write in Roman numeral. How will we write in Roman numeral? You write the expanded form and write according to the under the value. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to write the Hindu-Arabic numeral, write the Hindu-Arabic numeral. Write the Hindu-Arabic numeral. Hindu-Arabic numeral means our numbers. Hindu-Arabic numeral means our numbers. Suppose XC. XC, Roman number is given there. We have to write the number. And we know that X is representing by using 10. This is 10 and this is 100. And we already, according to our third rule, if a smaller value is in the left side, you have to do what? Subtraction. So, 100 minus 10, what is the answer? 90. 100 minus 10, what is the answer? 90. Okay. Now, suppose a question V11. Okay. So, how will we write the Roman numeral? V is 5, this is 1, this is 1. I representing for 1. So, 5 plus 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 7. If a smaller value is in the right side you have to do addition. Okay. So, one more example. Suppose the question CM. Okay, how will we write CM? CM means what? We know that C for 100, M for 1000. Okay. And I had already told you, if a smaller value 1000 or 100, which is the bigger number? 1000 is the bigger number. If a smaller value is in the left side, you have to do subtraction. So 1000 minus 100, what is the answer? 900. So CM is using for representing 900. Just study the rules. You can write any Roman numeral and just learn this chart also. And one more thing, M 4000. And if you won't write the Roman numeral, you write the expanded form. It will be more easy and you will not make any careless mistake. Okay. Now you mark the homework question. Homework question, write in Roman numeral. Write in Roman numeral. 75, first question 75, next question 96, third question 137, fourth question 238 and fifth question 594. Just mark this homework questions and try to do it correctly. So when you are writing the Roman numeral, try to write the expanded form and it will be easy for you. Write the homework questions. Hope this topic is clear for everyone. Just go through the rules and just study the symbols correctly. You can write the Roman numeral. That's all for today. Thank you, children.